Shri Manache Shlok, Shloka number 48, English translation and explanation. Shri Manache Shlok were written by Samarth Ramdas Swami. They are a dialogue with our mind. Sada Deva Kaji Jize Deha Jata Sada Ram Name Vade Nitya Vacha Swadharme Chitale Sada Uttamacha Jagi Dhanyato Das Sarvottamacha. The one whose entire life is dedicated always for the good causes, the one who always speaks the truth and praises God, the one who follows his own dharma and walks the path of the good karma, is the one who is a blessed devotee of the Supreme God in this world. Some of the keywords used in this shloka are Sada means always, Devakaji means in the cause of God, Jize means sacrifice, Deha means body, Jatsa means whose, Vade means says, Nitya means always, Vacha means speech, Swadharmechi means in accordance with one's duties. Uttamata means in best accordance. Dhanya means blessed. Dasa means a devotee. Sarvottamata means of the best person, God, Lord Rama. In the shlokas from 47 to 56, Samartha Ramdas Swami is explaining the characteristics of the blessed devotees of God. Since the last line of each of these shlokas is the same, the first three lines, each of them have one of the characteristics mentioned in them. That will make total of 30 characteristics amongst these shlokas. How a blessed devotee lives his life. Sada Devakaji Jize Deha Jatsa. Jizane means to dwindle, to wear out, to sacrifice. During the first quarter of our lives, we are mainly focusing on gathering knowledge, education, and growing ourselves into a mature individual. In the second quarter of our lives, we then focus on becoming self sufficient, taking responsibilities. It is probably towards the end of the second quarter of our life and then onwards is when we can say that we are mature enough and really start making sense of our lives, finding the true purpose of our lives. Somewhere here we can say that the word wearing out of our bodies comes in picture. The blessed devotees understand the purpose of life way too early, somewhere in their first quarter itself, and start working for the right causes, right karma. Many of the saints like Jnaneshwar, Samartha Ramdas Swami, Vivekananda, and the likes have shown their inclination towards devotion of God in their teenagers. They are the ones who have spent their entire life, or rather, have sacrificed their entire life in the devotion towards God, and at the same time helping others to educate them on the right way of living life. While doing so, they have not just helped their generation but multiple generations until now. Blessed devotees are those who are thus living their life fully for God and setting up a point of reference for the generations to follow. The spoken language used by a blessed devotee. Sada Ramaname Vade Nitya Vacha. The blessed devotees will never waste their energy in loose talk. They will be the ones who will be always focusing on telling the truth, telling the stories and examples from the scriptures to guide others. They are the ones who understand the importance of every movement in life and every spoken word coming out of their mouth. The reference here is not just the spoken language, but also the wealth of writings they have created. Just think about the Jnaneshwari, which is a commentary on the Bhagavad Gita written by the great Marathi saint Jnaneshwar in the year 1290. Jnaneshwara, who was born 1275, lived a very short life of 21 years, and this explanation of Bhagavad Gita was composed by him in his teens. The text is the oldest surviving literary work in the Marathi language, one that inspired major bhakti movement saints and poets such as Saint Eknath and Saint Tukaram of the Varakari or Vithoba tradition. The path followed by a blessed devotee. Swadharmechi chale sada uttamacha. Many translate dharma as religion, but dharma is not just religion. Dharma signifies behaviors that are considered to be in accord the order that makes life and universe possible and includes duties, rights, laws, conduct, virtues, and above all, right way of living. Dharma designates human behaviors considered necessary for order of things in the universe, principles that prevent chaos, behaviors and action necessary to all life in nature, society, family, as well as at the individual level. Dharma encompasses ideas such as duty, rights, character, vocation, religion, customs, and all behavior considered appropriate, correct, or morally upright. Blessed devotees are those who follow their own dharma towards the attainment of the best in life. They will never misuse or misinterpret that in order to do damage to the society in the name of God. सदा देव काजी झिजे देह ज्याचा सदा राम नामे वदे नित्य वाचा स्वधर्मेची चाले सदा उत्तमाचा जगी धन्य तो दास सर्वोत्तमाचा. If you liked this video, feel free to share, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel A Dialogue with Our Mind. It will be a great honor if you spread the word about this channel amongst your friends and families. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ